Hello Mahatma, where are you off to? Namaskar Jawaharlal, I am just checking out how the guys at the St. George are celebrating the 75th year of Indian independence.
Oh, that's nice. I shall join you to see. St. George School is not same anymore. See, doesn't it look beautiful?
Yes, of course. See, they have conducted many competition to remember our struggle and sacrifice. Oh, they are so patriotic.
Very well done, my dear. See, here comes a young fellow.
Remember their struggle. We remember their sacrifice. We remember the story of Indian independence. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande Mataram.
Wow, see his spirit. Look, they have a flag hoisting too.
Here comes the headmasters with his Independence Day greetings.
Dear students, today we celebrate the 75th year of freedom of our motherland India. As we rejoice on this diamond jubilee year of Indian independence, we remember with the honor and respect the glorious history of our country, the valiant struggle and selfless sacrifice of our great freedom fighters. Dear children, the freedom which we enjoy today is a hard-earned one. In our land of diversities, it is very important that we should all stand united as a strong nation and safeguard the spirit and value of freedom. On behalf of St. George's Kurudapalli, I wish all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Great, such an organized system. Now listen to this young fellow. He is reciting the Powerful Leaves by Tagore.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by domestic wars, where the word come out from the depth of truth into the heaven of freedom. My father led my country.
That was a fantastic performance.
Awesome! It was also nice. I am glad this generation still regards us well. I hope they protect the motherland and safeguard their freedom.
Jai Jawaharlal, Jai Mahatma, Vande Mataram.